Alright boys, what we're going to do is open this box, and this box is going to tell us one of two things. If we're going to have a boy or if we're going to have a girl. Now if it's a girl, what color balloons do you think you'll see? If it's a girl, you'll see pink. But if it's a boy, what color do you think you'll see?
Blue.
Alright, open the box, see what's in it.
How do you open it? I can't get
Just tear it open. Open that box. Just tear it open. Tear it open. Tear it open. Pull. Pull. What color are the balloons? What do you see?
Blue.
Blue balloons?
I see blue.
Tear it open. Are you sure it's blue?
I read it.
Are you sure it's blue? It might be pink.
It might be pink.
What? So what does that mean?
Boy.
We're gonna have a boy.
Are you gonna have a boy?
You're gonna have a baby brother, Jaden.
Yep.
Another one.
Another.
Yep. Whoa! Oh, we got some more. It's okay. Ethan, you're gonna have a baby brother. It's okay. We got more. We got more. It's okay. I know. Ethan, you're gonna have a baby brother.
Yeah.
Again.
What do you think about that?
It's gonna be 4 boys here.
Can you believe it, Jaden? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Jaden's gonna have another baby brother. Is that cool? Is that cool? Rylan, you're gonna have a baby brother. Woo-hoo! I think they like it.